Alright, so here's the installation for the pint bag. Screws go through the top of the bag here. You just screw it into your top of your bike here. Take your other screw. Put it in. A little tight, and then just snug it all up to 2 to 3 Newton meters. Take your tube, slide it in the elastic webbing at the top here. Zip it up. And then loop your strap around and you're good to go. Alright, so pull the bag off. You just use your little bolts here. Pull them out. You can see here you have your nice little mount points there. Put your screws through. Alright, for those of you who don't have accessory mounts, you can use our included strap to put it on your bike. I'll show you how to do that real quick. Run it through the top here. And it just slides through this little webbing loop. Pull it all tight. And you're good to go.